Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Watry. I'm a field product expert for Broan-NuTone and BESS. And today we're going to be making a short video on the Broan model BWS2304SS hood. And what I'm going to go through and show you is where the control board's located, the blower, how the blower gets detached from the unit if something were to fail on it. And we'll be taking a look at the switch inside this unit and the lights. Just a brief explanation where each part is located. All right, before we get started, the first thing, always, anytime you're in repairing this hood or inside the hood cleaning, always make sure the power is turned off. It's always a good safety practice to disconnect the power. If you would ever need to get at the control board in this unit, the control board is located behind the lower flue. There's an upper flue and a lower flue. And what you would do is the upper flue is held at the ceiling with two screws. There's one on the right side, one on the left side. You would remove those two screws. The upper flue would slide down into the lower flue, and what you would do then is you would pick both flues up off the top of this unit. Right here, this box, this is the electrical box. This is where the circuit board is located. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the two screws out holding that electrical box cover. Once the two screws are taken out, cover comes off. And I'm going to flip this so you can see it. This is actually the control board. This is what makes this hood work. The control board has many wires in it. This is the motor wire. Everything is quick connects. You just pull on them and they come disconnected. This is the motor capacitor. If you ever have a motor that doesn't work or you have a bad capacitor, this can be changed as well. And again, it's a quick connect. This is the motor discharge area. That motor can be taken out as well. Unfortunately, the hood has to be dropped to get this motor out. There's 4 screws holding this motor in on from the top. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there are 2 more on the back of this hood, and that's the reason why this hood would have to be dropped, because these would be against the back wall. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip this hood around. To get at the light assembly or the switch assembly in the nose of this hood, first you must remove the filters. These are flip latch filters. You got stainless steel on one side, aluminum on the other side. The light assembly can be removed. There's 2 screws. There's one on the right and one on the left. And I'm going to go ahead and get those screws removed. There's one. And there's 2. Light assembly comes down. The lights are also quick connects, so you can just squeeze right here with your thumb and just pull the wires apart like so. These are LED modules. If you ever need to replace an LED module, these are just spring fitted. You can just unclip it, and there you have the light module. The switch assembly can be removed. There's 4 screws holding this switch assembly. There's 2 screws holding a metal bracket on the inside of that unit, and going through the bracket into the circuit board there are 2 more screws, so a total of 4 screws to remove that switch assembly. Once those screws are removed, the switch will come right down from the bottom of that unit. Altogether, this is a great hood to work on. It's a simple hood. I hope this video helps. Thanks.